What's up, YouTube? Today I'll be showing y'all how to take apart an SKS to clean it. So, step one for this is you get this lever, then put pliers on it, and then lift up, push it out like that. After it's pushed out like that, this back piece will fall off. Then you pull out the spring, and make sure when you put it back together, the spring goes the curvy side in, and then take out the slide and the slide and the firing pin. And then to get this deal up here, you're gonna want to move it back into this first slot, and then lift up and pull out, and then there you get this little rod, and then you should like oil that up, and that'll make it shoot better, I guess. To get this back in there, you're gonna want to gently put it up front here, and then get this, kind of just barely move it, and it should just slide right into place, and then you just push it back down into position. Next, you want to get this piece, firing pin, and then the slide, and hook them together. And make sure this deal is down. Just slide it up in there, like that. And then after that, put this in, and make sure again to put the twisty side in first. And angle this deal forward. Something's wrong. Oh, yeah, you gotta pull this out. Having trouble. Something's off. Alright. Push it forward and lock it into place. And that's, you got it all put back together.